Hey, welcome back to Sight Culture. Today, we're diving into the art and science of attraction, focusing on a famous pickup technique called peacocking, the art of standing out. Remember, our goal is to understand this technique, not necessarily to advocate it. Let's get started. The term peacocking is borrowed from the animal kingdom, where male peacocks display their colorful feathers to attract a mate. In human social interaction, especially in the context of attracting women, it refers to the act of wearing something unique or eye-catching to stand out in a crowd. But what's the science behind this? The theory is rooted in evolutionary biology and psychology. Just like the peacock, human beings are thought to use visual cues to attract potential mates. By standing out visually, you increase the chances of being noticed, and thus, of initiating a conversation. But does it work? Well, it's not that simple. While peacocking can indeed help you stand out and initiate conversation, it's not a guarantee of attraction. It's the subsequent interaction, your personality, and behavior that truly count. A flashy appearance can grab attention, but a captivating personality holds it. An example where peacocking might have worked could be a crowded party. Let's say someone enters wearing an unusual, brightly colored hat. People notice, and conversations start. Who's that with the hat? It creates a talking point, an icebreaker, and certainly can facilitate the initial interaction. You might have seen this in action in movies too. Remember the scene from Crazy, Stupid, Love where Ryan Gosling's character, Jacob, stands out with his stylish and high-end wardrobe? That's a form of peacocking. In conclusion, peacocking can be an effective way to get noticed, but it's not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It must align with your personality and the context, and remember, it's just the first step. Genuine, respectful interaction is what truly builds attraction. After you've seized her attention with a dash of peacocking, feel free to dive into my other video, where I unravel the mysteries of cultivating a magnetic attraction between you two. That's it for today's episode on peacocking. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of human psychology and attraction.